Hi all, welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insight. So today we are going to predict the stock price of Cipla for November and December 2021 using some machine learning algorithms. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. First we will see the fundamentals and we will see like what our algorithm is predicting. Then we will see like what using our technical analysis charts and indicator we will verify the same. So this is Cipla's introduction. So as you can see like Cipla is a large cap company with more than 77,000 crore market cap, and its current price is around 967. Its all time high was around 1005, and its stock PE is a 30, which is a good one, and compared to its PE it is a good one. And it's mainly dealing with the pharmaceutical drugs and other tablets and other drugs. And we can see like it's a quarterly results, so we can see like after COVID it has been considerably improved, and operating profit and net profit and all everything. Earlier it was almost good and flat, but after COVID it has been improved very good, and it's an almost debt free company. And the sales over the year also we can see like it has been improved over the years, and profit before tax, after tax, everything has been improved even before COVID and after COVID as well. And Cipla used to give a very good dividend as well. And so this is the data we have taken into algorithm. We had considered data from 2018 Jan 1st onward till 2021 November 26. So we can see like before COVID it was almost flat, and there was some downtrend was there, but after COVID it has been improved and growing in an exponential way. And this is what our algorithm is predicting. So as per algorithm, as this particular breakout is happened on 26th November, so we can enter this particular point 930 or 950, and then we can set first target at this particular point around 1000, and the next target we can set around 1050 or 1100. So this is the enlarged one. So we can see like it was in a support zone for a long time, and has it give a breakout is given. So we can enter around this price 930 or 950 and set a target at this one, or we can set a target at 1100 and 1200. We can set a second target. So this is the candlestick chart we have taken from Chartlink. So we can see it has been taken support at a 200 moving average earlier, and now also it taken a support around 200 moving average, and due to some new COVID variant has been came in Europe and South Africa, it given a huge buy on last Friday. So either we can enter at this particular point 950 or 960 or 930. There might be a correction on Monday. Then we can set our first target at this particular point just above 1000, and second target we can set around 1100. And this is a weekly chart. So weekly chart we can see whenever it is crossing its two previous weeks high, it is moving uptrend. So we can see like this was the breakout which has been given on last Friday. So we can enter at this point 950 or 930. Then first target we can set just above 1000, and second target we can set around 1100. And the supply is a good company for long time as well. And this is a mutual fund data we have taken from Trendline. So we can see like in October and all there was some buy was happened in by the mutual fund, and overall it is almost flat, and the overall holding also we can see it is almost flat. And this is OA data for 2nd October for Nifty. So due to new COVID news and all, we can see like a call out right was volume was much higher than put sell, and we can see like 17,500 and 18,000 there is some higher resistance is there. So due to some this particular new COVID variant news, global market is in a panic sell mode. So as a good news is coming about this particular variant, whether this is controllable using our access in COVID vaccine, then we can expect some better movement in Nifty. So 30th December OA data, we can see like put option sell is much higher than call option sell. So we are expecting like as this news is settled down and panic sell is over, we are expecting some better movement in Nifty. And this is a Cipla OA data for 30th December. So here we can see like around 1000 there is a high resistance. So it is safer to enter above 1000 as well, and 1000 to 1100 or 100 plus, so we can set as target. And this is a FINDA net activity. So here we can see November first 2 weeks it was buy was happened, but in November 3rd and 4th week due to new COVID cases and all, it has been sell has been very high. So this is overall monthly data. So here we can see after Nifty touch 18,600 all time hit was a huge sell, huge profit booking was there, and November first week it was in a buy side, but after that due to bad news and COVID new variant and all, sell was high. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any stocks to analyze, please put in comment. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.